Hey guys, welcome back to a new video about JJ. We're going to be working on him again today. This is nothing earth shaking at all. It's just some upgrade that I needed to do, and it's concerning these old Sahara floor mats. You can just see how too narrow they are. They don't come up to the side at all. And I have ordered some floor mats and they came in today. I got these on Amazon. I want to kind of do maybe a review on these. I bought these with my own money. This is not a paid review. They look pretty good. This one's kind of got a warp in it. They're not super thick. I need to lay these out in the sun and let these get their shape back. The shipping box kind of warped them up a little bit. So there they are. I'm gonna lay these in the sun. It's a bright sunny day today. See if I can let the sun and a little gravity pull that end down. I really like the way they look, but like I said, they're not made out of the thickest material, which I mean, that's all right. But on these front ones, I want to try to locate these holes and put my snap-on clips. Put these clips on those front floor mats. I got to try to find the perfect spot for those holes, because once I put the holes in it, I'm done with that. Alright, that fits pretty good except for where it's buckled up back here. I may try to get me a hair dryer, see if I can make it lay down a little bit better. Now I gotta find out where to put those holes in my new floor mats. So, all right, I got me some spots marked out to where I can cut me some holes. I'm gonna do it with this. Normally I would go get a hole saw or something and try to make it perfect, but what I know is clips are gonna be bigger than the holes that I'm gonna cut. So any butchering or hacking I'm doing is gonna be covered up by those. Just gotta make sure I get them, you know, somewhat in the right spot. And if it starts getting too ugly, I will go get a hole saw or something. Okay, I've got the first insert in the back side. It's got these standoff here, these tracks, and I don't know that this is gonna snap in, but I'm just gonna try it and see. I hope it does, because if I cut these tracks off to make this set flush, these tracks have got holes in them. They don't, so they're molded. You can see the holes like that right there. Let me see if this right here is going to work. Alright, so it's not going to work. I'm going to have to trim some of these tread patterns off. So right there is what I was talking about. When I cut those tracks off, it's going to leave little hollow spots. But I still believe I'm going to have plenty of support And I've still got one more little spot right here to trim off, and I want to put that in and see if it'll work. All right, that's what I had intended on it looking like. It looks OEM. I'm hacking up these floor mats. Y'all know me by now. I don't care to what I call jerry rig something, but that looks really good. It don't look jerry rigged at all. So, and it's in there good and secure. Keep my floor mats from sliding around. And I'm going to pop this in and make sure this other mark that I've got drawn here will work, will suffice. So anyway, these are not intended to be done like this. I kind of do my own thing. I always have. So anyway, let me get started on that other hole. All right, so I got both of these installed. You can't tell it's not OEM. They pop right up. They pop right back in place. Floor mats rock solid in place. So anyway, now that I've got my little clips on, I like these floor mats a lot better. Just they actually are sitting down a lot better than they did before. I believe they'll get better with time, but anyway, pretty high for $75. Well, probably time I paid tax, it was probably closer to $80, $75.99 plus tax. So anyway, let me get this other side taken out and get my clips off, and I guess I'll butcher on that one a little bit. The second hole on this one went a lot faster because I wasn't as afraid that I was going to ruin it as I was on that first one. Anyway, it's kind of unnerving having floor mats that come in the mail and the first thing you do is start cutting on them. Alright guys, floor mats installed and done. I heated this up. I can put me a little piece of Velcro right there if I want to and hold that down, but I'll just tell you I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use it just like it is. It's a Jeep. Going to be getting dirt and mud and everything else inside it. Guys, I wanted to show you a little bit of a hack that I do to my Jeep. This is the way I ride. When I get ready to ride and get the wind in the cab with me, I take all the windows all the way around off. I take these legs that normally hook under here, that catches a lot of wind when you're going down the road, pulling on your top. Just it puts a lot of strain on things. I take those and I put them up here on the top. And the first few times I've done it, they would blow out. They wouldn't stay up. But what I have done is I go to Harbor Freight. I got these little, these ball bungees. I guess that's what you'd call it. I lay my soft top leg up here on my roll bar, and then I tie this right here around it, and it keeps it up here. You can go however fast you want to go. The package of these right here costs almost nothing. They're probably $3 for a pack of 4. The other two, I do that on each side. I got one over there, you can see. Right here, holding my soft top leg up. Then I take the other two and I go around my seat belt to keep the wind, because the wind to get a hold of that thing. You can see how it's seat up. My seat belt right there from the previous owner, and this right here hold everything steady and keep all this right here from flapping and making such a racket going down the road. And if somebody's riding back here, they just take this ball off and use the seat belt like normal. So I'm fixing to put, the reason I'm taking these off right here is because I'm fixing to put my windows back in, because I got work tomorrow and it's supposed to rain, and I don't want, I just tuck that in over the top, and I mean, it works like a charm. This is almost like a giant factory bikini top. I love riding around like that. You get the open air feel and keep the sun off my bald head. So anyway, I was just going to show you all that. You can spend you about $3 or $4 on these right here, and it comes with 4, and you can utilize all 4 of them. Now what I'll do to save these right here, to keep from losing them, I'll tie these one on each side around my seat belts again, just like that right there. That way I don't lose them. I have them when I'm ready to put my soft top back down. Thought I might show y'all that, might help some of y'all out. I like riding like that and having the shade and keep the hot sun off of it, which right now it's fall. We've had some beautiful weather and it's pretty cool. So the soft top will probably come all the way back before long, and I may even take these door surrounds off just to have that total freedom feel of it. So anyway, thought y'all might like that. All right guys, I know that video was kind of random, just a little bit all over the place. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this video, and I appreciate y'all, the ones that had Facebook accounts that came and joined the Facebook group. Don't have a lot of members right now, so if you want to do that, I'll leave a link in the description and you can go join the Facebook group, post pictures of your Jeep Wranglers, or just join just to be a member of it. That's fine. I got it where it will approve you automatically, so just come and click and join that group. For the ones of you that would like to share your pictures with me, I had it brought to my attention I could leave my email address down in the description, and I'm going to put that down there in this video and probably in the rest of the videos, along with the Facebook link to the group. And send me pictures of your Jeeps to my Gmail account, and I will look at them there, and make sure you put in the subject "force spelt." That way I will know it come from YouTube, and I will check it and I'll be looking for your pictures. And anyway, the ones of you that would like me to, just write in the comments on your pictures if you don't mind. If you would like me to, I can post some of your pictures at the end of the videos and show people different Jeeps that we have viewing the channel. So anyway, I thank y'all for watching again this week. Come back next time, we'll see what we got going then. I got some items in the mail that hasn't made it yet. That's why I just done this little quick video today, and we'll see what we got going next time.